Hello friends, this is the dashboard of the Galla app, and today we will learn about current stock. So here in the inventory section you will find the option current stock. So this is the current stock. It is showing the barcode, item name, total stock and some more information. You can view this data and you can also export this data by clicking on this export. Choose if you wish to export in the Excel or CSV form. We usually choose CSV form. So let's click on this. See, the file has been successfully downloaded and exported to your desktop. You can also export the data from here. You just have to click on this and the file will be saved and exported to your desktop. So that's how you view and export the current stock. Hope this helps. Thank you.